Here these three are the operations that we are going to perform on the binary logic. First one is AND operation, second one is OR operation, and third one is NOT operation. So these are the binary logic variables. The binary logic variables are typically represented as a letters. It is represented by using the letters. What are the letters that we are going to use here? Either A, B, C or X, Y, Z. Whatever the variables we are going to use, we can use it. But here, if it is the binary logic, then how it can be represented? We can see it as a letter. But the binary logic is something it is going to deal with the binary variables, and it will take only two discrete values, that is either 0 or 1 with some logic operations. The three basic logic operations are AND, OR and NOT. So here these are the binary or logic variables. Typically these are typically represented by using the letters, that is either A or B or C, that is by using the variable X or Y or Z. Go for the next slide. Similarly, the binary logic function can be expressed like this. This is f of variables. F of variables means here in this function we are going to define the variables what we are going to use in the expression, which we are going to use in the expression. Here we can define the variables which we are going to use in the expression. ఇక్కడ మనకి ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్ ఉంటుంది కదా, ఈ ఎక్స్ప్రెషన్లో మనం ఏదైతే ఈ వేరియబుల్స్ని యూజ్ చేస్తామో ఆ వేరియబుల్స్ని ఇక్కడ ఈ ఫంక్షన్లో డిఫైన్ చేస్తాం. ఇన్ దిస్ expression contains, okay, this expression contains operators, variables, constants, and it may contains grouping. Okay, what it contains? It contains either operators or variables, constants, and groupings, that is parentheses, just like that. Suppose if it is the example f of a comma b, that is in this this is the expression. In the right side, what the thing that we are having is expression. This expression may contain what? Operators like plus, into, okay, and so it may contain some constants, it may contain some variables. Here what are the variables that we are having here? Only a comma b is the variables, and here the operators in this first expression, the operator that we are going to use is first one is dot and second one is plus. Okay, next one, g of x comma y comma z. Okay, this is the another expression. Here in this expression, the variables that we are going to use here is x comma y comma z, and it is having some parentheses, and here the operators that we have used is multiplication and addition operators we are going to use. Go for the next slide. See, we have already said that some of the basic logic operations that we are going to perform is AND operation. If we are performing AND operation, we have to perform the multiplication between the two variables. If we are performing the AND operation, then we have to perform the multiplication between the two variables. And if it is 0 into 0, we have to do 0. If it is 1 into 0, we have to do 0. If it is 0 into 1, that is 0. If it is 1 into 1, then only it will becomes 1. In remaining all the cases, it will become 0. Understand? Whenever you are going to perform the AND operation, to perform the AND operation, you have to perform the multiplication there. That is here it are having these possible cases here. That is 0 0 0 1 1 0 1 1. In this case 0 into 0, it is showing the result 0. In this case 0 into 1, it is showing the result 0, and in this case 1 into 0, it is 0, and in this case 1 into 1, it is showing 1. Okay, if it is if you are performing the logical OR operation, then the binary operation that we are going to expect is, see, if you are performing the OR operation means you have to perform the addition. 0 plus 0, it will become 0. 0 plus 1 becomes 1. 1 plus 0 will becomes 1, 1 plus 1 will becomes 1 0 and 0 will be discarded here. If you are performing OR operation means you have to perform addition here. Okay, these are the truth tables for these logical operators. We have to mention it in the tabular form. See, A, B, in terms of A and B, if A is 0 and B is 0, then it will become 0. For AND operation we have to perform multiplication operation now. 0 0 will become 0 and 0 1 will become 0. 1 0 1 0 will become 0 and 1 1 will become 1. This is for the AND operation. Okay, now let us see the truth table for the OR operation. 0 into 0 will become 0, 0 into 1 will become 1, 1 into 0 will become 1, 1 into 1 will become 1. Okay, this is for OR operation, this is for AND operation, and this is for OR operation. Then about the NOT operation. Okay, if A is 0, the NOT operation will become 1. If A is 1, it will become 0. That is quite opposite. See, these are the logic gates that we are going to use for the AND operation, OR operation, and NOT operation. See, if you observe here, you are giving the input variables A and B. You are after this operation we are getting A into B. For OR operation, this is the gate that we are using here, and for the NOT operation we are then this is the gate we are using here. See, basically the logic gates are abstractions of the electronic circuit components that operate it can operate on one or more input signals that can produce an output signal. See, it can operate on more than one input signal which can produce an output signal. Okay, next, see how we are going to construct a circuit with this logic. Suppose if we have taken a function a0 plus b into c0 plus a0 into b0, then the combinational logic circuit will be defined by, see, first of all you have to see what are the input symbols here. What are the input symbols here? A, B and C. We have taken the input symbols A, B and C. For A not is there, B not is there, C not is there. మనకి ఏకి బీకి సికి నాట్ అనేది ఉంది కాబట్టి మూడిటికి నాట్ తీసుకున్నాం. నెక్స్ట్ ఏ టు ఏటికి లాజికల్ ఆపరేషన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. ఏమున్నాయి? ఏ నాట్ plus b, before applying not we are taking the b. Plus means which operation you have to use? You have to use this gate. For OR operation you have to use this gate. Okay, a naught, this is a naught. Here it is combining three values. This is having one value. A dash is one value, B into C dash is, we have to consider A as one value, B into C dash as one variable, and A dash into B dash as another variable. Okay, after considering this, from this what we can know, this AND gate will having the input of three variables. First variable is A0, we got it. Second is B into C dash. B into C dash means before applying the NOT you have to take B, and into means you have to take the NOT AND gate. No, B into C dash means we have applied the NOT gate and we have given this input here. Third one is A0 into B0. A dash into B dash means A dash, into means A dash, into means you have to use the AND gate. No, for that we have given this input here. This is the combinational circuit for a logic function. Go for the next slide.